Welcome back, guys. It's Archie, and today I'm going to do the soldering, the electronics here, wiring up this telly. So I went ahead and just put the pickguard on there, nothing too eventful. If you don't have pickguard holes already drilled, you can put it in place once you have the neck there. And I recommend also setting your bridge where you're going to have it, and your control plate, and matching all of that up before you drill holes for your pickguard, just to make sure everything fits how it should. Once you do drill the holes for your pickguard, you guys know how to drill a hole and put a screw in. Pretty easy. But I did go ahead and do that, but it's very unexciting. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this. So here we go. So what is nice is they went ahead and they have already pre-wired a bunch of this on the control plate for this kit. That will save you a good amount of time. So I looked up the schematic for it. Basically what I need to do is attach the the neck hot here and the bridge hot here. And then these two go out to the input jack. This is the ground that goes to the bridge, and then these are my pickup wires that I already pulled through right here. So now I get to have the wiring fun, and I do recommend keeping some kind of little hand towel or rag or something around, just so that you can protect the body from the hot solder that may drop on it. So here we go. So there you have wired up pickups, and wired up control plate, and wired up input jack. Now I just need to put little screws for the input jack. And then it's time to string it up. It may help if I already had tuners on it. So I gotta put the tuners on, and then I'll string it up and we'll test out the electronics. Usually I put the tuners on first, but I got too excited. Alright, thanks guys. If you enjoyed this video, or you at least got to laugh at me, please like and subscribe, and yeah, you can see more of this content.